dance is called Dolly Would. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right out to the side, clap, step the left out to the side, clap. Go back on a back shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right back, left beside right, stepping that right back. You're then going to step the left to the side, clap, step the right to the side, clap, shuffle forward on the left, again 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left forward, right beside left, stepping the left forward. Now you are, strictly speaking, doing those claps on the and counts as well. That set of steps once more then. Stepping out on that right. 7, 8. Out, clap, back, shuffle, out, clap, left, shuffle. You're then going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left, shuffle half a turn over your right shoulder, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right, turn quarter right, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, and then a further quarter right, stepping that right forward. You're then going to step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right, then shuffle forward on that left. 1 and 2 count timing steps again on that left shuffle. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Now you have in that section got the equivalent of a full turn with your half shuffle turn and then that pivot half. We always say, when possible, do try and put the turns in because the dances look so much better when they are in there. However, should you find that you're having difficulty getting that turn in time to the music or it's making you feel dizzy or disorientated, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So start the same as everybody else, rocking forward on that right, recover your weight on the left. Instead of doing your half shuffle turn, just shuffle back on the right, then rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right instead of doing that step pivot half, and then shuffle forward on the left again. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that equivalent full turn out from that section. So let's add that to the top. Out, off on the right. 7, 8. Out, clap, back shuffle. Out, clap, left shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. You're going to touch your right heel forward towards the diagonal at 130 and touch the heel forward again. So 2 heel touches. Into a little weave, crossing that right behind the left, step on the left hand side, cross that right over. So your weave is 1 and 2 count timing steps. You're then going to touch your left heel forward into the diagonal, the 10-30, twice, cross the left behind the right, turn a quarter turn right, so you step forward on that right, and step forward on the left. So again, behind turn step, 1 and 2 count timing steps. That set of steps once more then, heel touches off on that right. 7, 8, heel, heel, behind side cross, heel, heel, behind turn step. Let's add that to the top. Out, off on the right. 7, 8. Out, clap, back shuffle. Out, clap, left shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel, heel, behind side cross. Heel, heel, behind turn step. You're now going into Charleston steps. So these are the old-fashioned Charleston steps that you tend to think about. So you're going to touch your right forward. You're going to sweep the right back as you step back on that right. You're going to sweep that left back as you touch the left back. Sweep the left forward as you step forward on it. You're then going to kick the right forward and go straight into a V step. stepping the right out to the right diagonal, the left diagonally out to the left, the right back to where it came from, the left beside the right. And then you'll go to hold. So that set of steps once more, do them slowly again to start with. So you're going to touch, sweep and step back, sweep, touch back, sweep, step forward. Kick the right, out on the diagonal, back diagonally in on that right, left beside the right, hold. Now what the choreographer has actually suggested on that hold step is do whatever you like. So you can just stay there like a statue, or you can make out like Dolly Would. Okay, so it's up to you what you actually do on that hold step, but it is one count of music. Okay, so we're just going to do that last section once more, a little bit faster. Charleston off on that right. 7, 8, point, back, point, step, kick, out, in, hold. So it is going to be quite fast. Let's add it to the top. Out, off on the right. 7, 8, out, clap, back, shuffle. Out, clap, left shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel, behind side cross. Heel, behind turn, step. Touch, back, touch, step, kick, out, in, hold. That is your dance. And like I said, there are quite a few out counts in it, so we'll now go through it with the counts. Out, off on that right. 7, 8, 1 clap and, 2 clap and, 3 and 4, 5 clap and, 6 clap and, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Out, off on the right. 7, 8, out, clap, back, shuffle. Out, clap, left shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel, behind side cross. Heel, behind turn, step. Touch, back, touch, step. Kick, out, in, hold. Out, clap, back shuffle. Out, clap, left shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel, behind side cross. Heel, behind turn, step. Touch, back, touch, step. Kick, out, in, hold. Out, clap, back shuffle. Out, clap, left shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel, behind side cross. Heel, behind turn, step. Touch, back, touch, step. Kick, out, in, hold. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music.
Must be doing something right. There's things I gotta fight for. Never been one to do things by the book. Come on. Say the bleach went to my brain. Say my dreams are so insane. Oh, but I'm just gonna do Dolly Would.
6, 7, 8. Out, back shuffle. Out, left shuffle. Forward rock, half shuffle. Step, pivot, left shuffle. heel, heel, behind side cross, heel, heel, behind side step, touch, back, touch, step, kick and in, hold, out, back shuffle, out, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, heel, heel, behind side step, heel, heel, behind side step, touch, back, step, kick out, in, out, back shuffle, out, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, heel, heel, behind side cross, heel, heel, behind side step, touch, back, step, kick out, in, hold, out, back shuffle, out, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, heel, heel, behind side cross, heel, heel, behind side step, touch, back, step, kick out, in, hold, out, forward, heels, Johnson, out, forward rock, heels, Johnson, out, forward rock, heels, Johnson, out, forward rock, heels, Johnson, Hope you managed that one.